Devastating floods in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, over 330 dead. Peshawar, August 25, 2025. Heavy rains and sudden outbursts in various districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have triggered catastrophic floods, leaving widespread destruction in their wake. So far, more than 330 people have lost their lives across the province, while over 150 remain missing. Bunair is the hardest hit district, where more than 200 deaths were reported within just 2 days. Swat and Bajor have also suffered extensive damage, with entire village swept away, hundreds of houses destroyed, and thousands left homeless. The Army Rescue 1122 and NDMA carried out joint operations, relocating over 25,000 people to safer locations. According to district administration officials, power supply has been restored in 70% of the flood affected areas, while most major roads have also been reopened. Meanwhile, hundreds of medical camps have been set up across the province to provide health care to survivors. The health department reports that more than 15,000 people have already contracted waterborne diseases. Survivors, however, complained that they were not given timely warnings, which lead to greater loss of life. Officials maintained that the rains were so sudden and intense that there was hardly any time to issue alerts. The meteorological department has forecast more rains and landslides in the coming days, heightening the risk in already devastated areas. Experts warned that due to climate change, monsoon rains are becoming increasingly severe, raising the likelihood of more such floods in the future. Key figures: deaths in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 330 plus, deaths nationwide 700 plus, missing persons 150 plus, people relocated 25,000 plus, patients with waterborne diseases 15,000 plus. MD Udan News Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, and social worker Ali Hashim expressed deep grief over the devastation caused by floods in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, in which more than 330 people have lost their lives and over 150 have gone missing. In their messages, they prayed, "May Allah Almighty grant the deceased a high place in Jannatul Firdaus and grant patience to the bereaved families. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Ya Rabbal Alameen, and may those who went missing in the floods be found soon. Ameen. Summa Ameen. Ya Rabbal Alameen." You are watching Udan News.